Here are 5 tricks I use that helps me get into the mood to work out on days I just don't feel like it. 1. I get into my workout gear. I guess it's that psychological shift from wearing regular clothes to gym clothes that just shifts my mood. It's just like wearing my uniform and knowing that I gotta get to work. 2. Music. It's powerful. Whatever type of music hypes you up, blast it in the house, wear your AirPods and play it. Have a good playlist. It will hype you up. 3. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. When I'm not in the mood to work out or to go for a jog, I watch videos of people doing the workouts that I'm supposed to be doing. It motivates me, but it also reminds me on the things that I should be doing right now. Try it out. It's a good way to get you going when you're not feeling it. 4. A small snack, water. Sometimes my mood is low because my nutrition is low. Sometimes a little bit of fuel will boost you up, so pay attention to that. 5, and this one works really well. Telling yourself that you're only going to work out for 5 minutes. Whether it's a 5-minute walk or 5 minutes of exercising, when you tell yourself you're only gonna go in for 5 minutes, it doesn't seem too bad, so it's very easy to get in and start. But 90% of the time, you're gonna go more than 5 minutes. Even if it's just for 10, 15 minutes, that's already double or triple the amount of exercise that you intended. Go in with the goal to do a little, you're most likely gonna do a lot more. Those are my 5 personal tricks. I wanna hear what your tricks are.